Platform and product versions. Platform product. Platform name Java Platform Standard Edition 8. Abbreviation Java AC 8. Product that implements the platform is Java AC Development Kit 8. Abbreviation is JDK 8. Then product that implements the platform is Java AC Runtime Environment 8. JRE 8. JDK is an acronym for Java Development Kit. It physically exists. It contains JRE plus development tools. JVM set of libraries, example rt.jar, etc. Then other files. Development tools, example Java C, Java, etc. JRE. JRE is an acronym for Java Runtime Environment. It is used to provide runtime environment. It is the implementation of JVM. It physically exists. It contains set of libraries plus other files that JVM uses at runtime. Implementation of JVMs are also actively released by other companies besides Sun Microsystem. JVM set of libraries, example rt.jar, etc. Other files JRE. JVM Java Virtual Machine is an abstract machine. It is specification that provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. JVM, JRE, JDK are platform dependent because configuration of each OS differs, but Java is platform independent. JVM performs main task, loads code, verifies code, executes code. Features of Java. Simple. Simple syntax, no pointers, no multiple inheritance with the classes, which causes ambiguity error. For almost every task, API, which is Application Programming Interface, is available. Programmer just need to know how to use that API, that is Application Programming Interface. Object oriented. Java is a strong object oriented as it does not allow feature like global data friend function, which are against OOP principles. Automatic garbage collection. Automatic garbage collection is the process of looking at heap memory, identifying which objects are in use and which are not, and deleting the unused objects. In an in-use object or referred object means that some part of your program still maintains a pointer to that object. An unused object or unreferred object is no longer referenced by any part of your program. So, memory used by an unreferred object can be reclaimed. Robust. Robust means strong. Java puts a lot of emphasis on early checking for possible errors, as Java compilers are able to detect many problems that would first show up during execution time in other languages. It provides the powerful exception handling and type checking mechanism as compared to other programming languages. Platform independent. Unlike other programming languages such as C, C++, etc., which are compiled into platform specific machines, Java is guaranteed to be compiled once and run anywhere language. On compilation, Java program is compiled into bytecode. This bytecode is platform independent and can be run on any machine. Any machine with Java runtime environment can run Java programs.